our exercise for today. Hi, how you doing? I'm having a great day. I'm working, but I love what I do. Do you love what you do? I sure hope so. Okay, we're going to get started. Yes, we are. Now I'm going to jump around. So some of you are going to like some low, some of you are going to like high, but we're going to do it jumping around into different areas, see how your voice feels. And the one thing I wanted to say about this exercise is that keys matter. If I do it up here, my heart belongs to you, then I'm going to sing it different than if I was going to, my heart belongs to you, or my heart belongs to you. So my voice sounds different in different areas. And when you choose a key, it's going to influence how that song fits you, how you feel in that song. So what you want to do is when you're looking for keys for something, you want to try them on. It's like trying on an outfit, it's like, or a shirt or a pants, or whatever it is. You try it on, you go, oh, I don't know, it doesn't feel right. And then you try something else on, it's like, oh man, I like that. Sometimes in a key, you want to place it high because it just suits the song and your voice is coming out. And you didn't expect it to come out with that high a key. Okay, so let's dig into this. I'm going to do it like right in the center here. Let's start here. And we're doing 1 flat 3, 1 5, 1 flat 3. So it's a minor chord. I'm crying, baby. And it's my heart belongs to you, honey. You, baby. My heart belongs to you. Okay? And remember, my heart belongs. When you go to that high note, hold on to the vowel. Stay open way in the back of the throat. Yeah, not the throat, the throat. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Right. Okay, now we're going to jump. My heart belongs to you. Now, I'm starting to push. So, I'm not going to want to do it loud if I start going a little bit higher. Maybe you want to. If you go in the mix, let's go up here. My heart belongs to you. Try it there again. My heart belongs to you. Gentlemen down here, let's try it down here. My heart belongs to you. Uh-huh. And then let's go up chromatically. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Great, let's do another one. My heart belongs to you. Okay, so now I'm going to go up here for the ladies. Let's try it. Let's go here. Uh-huh. One more. My heart belongs to you. Now I went chest in that middle one, and I'm getting guttural. I'm pushing it a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to check it out and see. Maybe you want to do that. And maybe some of you, oh, I wouldn't want to do that. Well, okay, then you use the mix in that area. Let's go up to higher notes. And let's go up here. And then we'll come back down. Ladies, you're going to be comfortable here. Falsetto guys, okay. Mixing, you're going to push it a little bit, not true falsetto. My heart belongs to you. Here. Let's try it. And ladies too. My heart belongs to you. Down here. Just depends on where you want to sing things. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Now I start feeling different. My heart belongs to you. And I almost want to slow it down. My heart belongs to you. When I'm down here, I want to feel like that. My heart belongs to you. So I sometimes I can feel a different thing if I take it a different tempo also. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you, right? My heart belongs to you. And so your tempo is going to influence you also as to how you want to groove with it. I love swing, so what can I say? All right, guys, what did you learn from this? Remember, keys, you want to try them on. You want to see how they fit. And doing this exercise in different places, you see how the voice will react so different. And that depends on then how do you want to sound in this? And also the tempo of it. If you go fast or you go slow, it's going to make you go, oh, wait a second. I got to have the drums do a different beat. I have to have man, I love it. Or my heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Now I want to change the phrasing of it because I want to knock it out. I want to do it a little bit more drive. With a little bit more drive. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, you got to subscribe. Did she say that again? Sure did, honey. And ring that bell. Okay? Cause it's such a day. Such a modified day. Bye.